Hello and welcome to my channel. So today let's look at today's daily challenge question 463 island parameter. So the question is you are given a row times column grid representing a map where grid ij is 1 represents land and grid ij is 0 represents water. So the grid cells are connected horizontally or vertically, not diagonally. The grid is completely surrounded by water, and there is exactly one island. So, so there is only one island, and the island doesn't have lakes, meaning the water inside isn't connected to the water around the island. One cell is a square with side length 1. The grid is rectangular. Width and height don't exceed 100. Determine the parameter of the island. So the question is, we can see the example. In this example one, this is the island, and then we need to count the parameter, how many sides are in the at the boundary of the island. So we just add those together, then it will be 16. So the yellow stripe here is what we need to count, but the black one is not. So we can see that each cell with each island cell contribute four edges, or contribute 4 to the parameter. So then also we need to count the neighbors. Count the neighbor. So the answer actually is 4 times island cells, 4 times cells minus neighbors. The neighbors count. So neighbors count, we actually need to. So for the cell 1, we look at the left, right, bottom, and up. If there is another cell with value as 1, then we need to add 1. So, but for this cell, we have only the bottom one, so we add 1 to the neighbor. But if when we look at the cell in the middle, we need to count again the one in the upper side, because we need to we need to remove the edges for all the combinations, all the neighbors. So here actually we remove it twice. Also because you have added 4 edges in the first cell and 4 edges in the second cell. So actually you add this edge twice. That's why you actually need to remove it twice, because this edge actually is not a part of the parameter. So then let's start implement. Also the time complexity is like m times n, because we just need to go through the entire grid once, and the space is O1, I believe, because we only need some variable to do the counter. Yeah, so we are going to use a direct vector here to So now we can loop through the entire grid. Also, we need to have a counter called initialize with 0 and neighbors initialize also with 0. Then so we can check if this cell is 1. Then we need to increment count. Also, we need to now check the four directions of that cell. So we can do dir and I mean using the director array. So j plus k plus 1. So then we need to check if this is in the boundary. This coordinator. And if it's in the boundary and also grid R1 C1 is 1, then it means that we found a neighbor. So we increment neighbor once. So in the end, we just return the count times 4 minus neighbors. Okay. Okay. So this conclude today's exercise. So if you have any question, please comment in the video, and if you like it, please subscribe or click like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.